Hi, I'm Belinda Carli, the Director of the Institute of Personal Care Science, and I get asked a lot about how to make a natural lipstick using natural colorants with the right viscosity, play time and colour transfer. So in this video, I'm going to show you how it's done. This is the product we're going to be making here, and as you can see, it's got fantastic colour transfer and a beautiful stick form. Now, to make this product, we're going to be using Sensient Nat Pure X Fine materials. This is Radish RR319. As you can see, it's a beautiful red colour. Now, when we're using the Nat Pure Fine colorants, we do need to disperse them first with our base oil. I'm using castor oil in this case. So I'm first going to mix this and then disperse it until I create a smooth colour slurry. Now you can see it's not a smooth slurry, but it's at least wetted out the pigment. Now I'm going to use my dispersing mixer to make this nice and smooth before adding to my wax base. Now, while I'm also mixing this with the dispersing element to smooth out that pigment, I'm also going to heat my waxy base in the water bath to melt this to become liquid. Now, once that's dispersed, you can check that it's ready for the next step. If we just take a small sample of the material and spread it out on a white tile, we can make sure that the colour is really smooth and we can't see any obvious particles. In this case, we have got a really smooth distribution of colour with no particle streaks, so we can move to the next step. But if we found that we had some particles still present in this colour, we could then keep dispersing to break down any further agglomerates for a nice smooth colour on that tile. Now, once the waxy phase is molten, we can then add our dispersed phase into the waxy phase with further stirring. Now, if you form any bubbles at this stage, you can slow your stirring and the bubbles will dissipate. It's really important that you don't have bubbles in the bulk mixture when you go to fill your mould, otherwise it will impact the crystalline structure that sets in the mould and it will impact the hardness of your stick. So when that's homogeneous, pour into your mould and allow it to set before checking the next day. And that's how to make a natural lipstick using natural colorants. Just remember, the processing steps are really important. You need to disperse the colour first in the liquid oil portion and then add to your waxy portion. And of course, we've got this full method and inputs available for you. Just contact us for the full formula method and supplier details. For details about some of the equipment I've used in this video, please watch our other videos specific to that equipment to find out more. And of course, the method and processing gets easier when you have a larger batch rather than just these small lab samples. In another video, I'll show you how to colour match using natural colorants to create all sorts of vibrant lipstick colours using the Nat Pure X Fine range. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up. Please leave any questions or comments below and make sure you subscribe to receive notifications about all our videos. Happy formulating!